Ikechi, Tochi, Raphael, Raymond, come over. Let me tell you a secret. What you have to do this Umber month and make cool cash. Before I go over to the video, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jafega Okweriko, popularly known as First Key. If this is your first time of bumping into my channel, you are most welcome. Because in this channel, I share valuable content around mean importation, how to make money online, and a lot of business ideas. So if this sounds interesting to you, do not hesitate to join this wonderful family by clicking on the red subscribe button down below. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you. That's why I always film beautiful videos just for you. Now, what is the cocoa? What is the secret that you have to do this Umber month and make cool cash? Start preparing now. Number one, schools are resuming. This Umber month, they are resuming. A lot of persons will be admitted into schools, different sessions. A lot of persons will be admitted into schools. So they will need these things. Number one, school books. Yes, books are very expensive now. Imagine the one of 80 leaves is being sold for 350 naira of the Nigerian currency. So if you buy now, you profit from it later, because as the day goes by, things are becoming more and more expensive. So if you buy now, then you can make cool profit later on. So go buy books now and sell later. Number two, school bags. Students will be needing school bags to go to school. So buy now and sell to them later. Then number three is lunch bags and water bottles for kids that will be going to school, for nursery students. Okay, they will be needing that. So buy now and sell later and make profit from them. Number four, socks. Students will need socks to go to school, so buy different sizes for different ages, all right, and sell to them later. Then five is marker, pencils, eraser, sharpeners. Students will need these. What you can do is you go to private owned schools, discuss with the directors so you can supply them these items, because they like packaging. Okay, so if you supply them these items, then that would be nice. So what you do, you go to where they are being sold at a cheaper rates, of course wholesale prices, where you can be able to make cool profit out of it. So after you get that place where you can buy them, after buying, then you sell to the school directors and make profit. Then number six, before I move over to number six, please do not hesitate to click on the like button, comment and share. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, join this wonderful family. And then if you think there are other things one can do in preparation for the Umber month, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. Or if you're enjoying this video, if you're getting value, let me know in the comment section. Please comment, or perhaps if you know other things you feel I should film about, please feel free to comment. Drop a comment in the comment section. Okay, so number six, what you can do, government-owned schools, as students are being admitted, there are some certain requirements that is required of them. For example, they need long outside broom, short broom, chalk, and then machetes. They need these items. So you can buy them and sell at the school premises, in front of the school. Take note, please don't go and disturb the school premises, okay? But just look for a fine location close to the school, so that when the parents of these students see that you are selling these, then to be very good for them, because it will save them that stress of going over to the market to get these items. So you just get them there, package them, and then sell to them and make cool profit out of it. So these are some of the things you can do this Umber month that is coming and make cool cash out of it. I hope you got value from this video. Thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.